Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Toptal, a platform that's built quite a reputation for itself in the world of freelancing. Whether you're a business owner looking for top-tier talent or a freelancer wondering what it takes to get on this platform, this video will tell you everything you need to know. We'll walk through a full overview of Toptal, explore its main features, discuss its pricing structure, weigh the pros and cons, and wrap up with a detailed conclusion, including why some say it's a better choice than Upwork in 2025. Let's get into it. Toptal, which stands for Top Talent, was founded in 2010 with a clear and ambitious mission to connect the top 3% of freelance talent with companies across the globe. The platform was born out of frustration with traditional freelance marketplaces where quality could be hit or miss, and finding reliable professionals often took more time than completing the project itself. Toptal's founders wanted to change the game by reversing the model. So instead of letting freelancers apply freely to every job, Toptal created a curated network where only those who pass a very rigorous screening process are allowed to offer their services. We're talking less than 3% acceptance rates. That's how strict they are. Initially, the platform focused exclusively on software developers, but as demand grew and industries evolved, Toptal expanded into other highly skilled areas like design, finance, product management, and project management. Today, it even includes verticals for blockchain development and AI-driven engineering. Now let us talk about the main features. Elite talent screening. This is the heart of Toptal's model. Their selection process includes multiple rounds, a language and personality interview, timed algorithm testing, technical interviews, and even test projects. Only professionals who excel at every stage are accepted. So when a client uses Toptal, they know they're getting top-tier talent. No guesswork, no sorting through dozens of average resumes. Fast, personalized matching. One of the best parts is that businesses don't waste time. After outlining your project or role, Toptal's team gets to work and usually matches you with a qualified candidate within 24 to 48 hours. That's much faster than posting jobs and waiting for applications to roll in, like on Upwork. Trial to hire approach. Toptal offers a risk-free trial period. If you're not satisfied with the person you're matched with, you don't pay. It's a confident model that reflects their belief in their vetting process, and it builds trust with clients. Versatile skill sets. Beyond software developers, you can now hire UI/UX designers, product managers, project leads, data analysts, financial experts, and more. This makes Toptal suitable not just for tech startups, but also for financial institutions, consulting firms, marketing agencies, and enterprise projects. Global remote workspace. Toptal freelancers are located in over 140 countries. That means access to talents across time zones, languages, and specialties while maintaining consistent quality and communication. Scalability for teams. Toptal also supports building entire remote teams, not just individuals. Their enterprise services allow businesses to ramp up staffing for large, complex projects. Whether it's a one-off job or a long-term collaboration, they provide flexibility and strategic support. Now let us talk about the pricing. Toptal doesn't advertise fixed pricing on its website, and there's a reason for that, because everything is custom tailored to your project, your scope, timeline, and the expertise you need. But based on industry benchmarks and client feedback, here's what you can generally expect. You can expect developers and designers to typically cost between $80 and $150 per hour. Financial consultants or product managers may range from $120 to $200 per hour. And full-time hires can go from $2,000 to over $5,000 per week, depending on the complexity and the region. What are the pros and cons of using Toptal? We start with the pros. Exceptional quality. The 3% acceptance rate really delivers because you're dealing with pros, not rookies. Time efficient. It keeps the recruitment process. You get matched in days instead of weeks. And the risk-free trial period lets you test the waters without pressure. There's also scalability. It's ideal for both solo entrepreneurs and large organizations building full teams. How about the cons? High costs. If you are a small business or solo founder on tight budget, Toptal can feel pricey. There are no job postings. You can't just post a gig and wait for offers like on Upwork or Fiverr. And there's less flexibility for small gigs. It's not ideal for quick or low budget tasks like logo design or quick bug fixes. So here's a big question: is Toptal better than Upwork? Well, Toptal and Upwork serve two very different purposes, and that's more true now in 2025 than ever. If you're looking for quality above all else, Toptal is the clear winner because the rigorous screening ensures that you get experienced professionals who can jump into your workflow without much handholding. You're not sifting through dozens of profiles or worrying about flaky freelancers. You're paying for peace of mind. But now with Upwork, the range of talent is much wider. You can find everything from entry level to expert freelancers, and the price range reflects that. It's a more flexible and open platform, but that also means that you spend more time reviewing proposals, vetting candidates, and potentially dealing with inconsistencies in delivery. So yes, I would say Toptal is better than Upwork if you have a medium to large budget and if you're working on a high impact project and you also cannot afford delays or you want pre-vetted professionals with little oversight required. But if you're a startup or you're looking for minor support, then you might just stay with Upwork. If you're looking to try other alternatives aside from this, you may explore Gun.io, Catalant, and Fiverr Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.